It's almost that time of year. Frog Street's annual Splash Conference is just around the corner, and you can expect this year to be bigger and better than ever. From July 20th to 22nd, join thousands of educators from all over the world for a unique professional learning experience and joyful celebration in honor of all heroes in early childhood education. This year's theme is Follow Your Yellow Brick Road to Success. Courageous attendees can expect to nourish their brain and grow their heart while feeling right at home at the Gaylord Texan Resort. At Splash 2023, you will collaborate with like-minded educators, nurture ideas, and get recharged for the upcoming school year, all while earning up to 20 PD credit hours. Prepare to be blown away by our industry-leading keynote speakers, Adam Peterson, Weston Kejnick, Jonathan HINES, as well as our featured speakers, including Debbie Clement, Greg SMEDLEY-WARREN of Kindergarten Smorgasbord, L.J. Henderson, and Jill Molly of Conscious Discipline. And of course, coming back for more music and fun are Frog Street favorites Stephen Fite and Don Monopoly, and other new talents joining us this year too. Splash 2023 will have even more internationally recognized early childhood speakers. These experts will bring a tornado of knowledge, including fresh perspectives and breakthrough ideas that will lead to a successful and energizing school year. And don't forget to sign up for the pre-conference curriculum training to take part in exciting, interactive instruction on Frog Street curriculum. And let's get creative. Join us for our pre-conference Make and Take session where you'll walk away with a complete Frog Street supply kit to design purposeful and dynamic classroom activities. At Splash 2023, not only will you learn cutting-edge strategies and the latest research-based educational trends, but you'll also get to enjoy a chef-inspired awards dinner, must-have products from our exhibitors, and an after-party with live music and dancing. But don't just take it from me. Listen to what past attendees have to say.
This is my second year attending Frog Street, and what amazing. This curriculum is also so phenomenal. The kids are engaged, the staff are engaged. This is the best experience of all.
Remember, there is no place like Splash. Register today to follow your yellow brick road to success.